started to cut the air. Chase main as good parrots will joke group and promote to be. And those also are no dolch and a couple show soon.
Welcome to our company's journey. Don't forget to subscribe to Process Pulse Factory.
We can build a better chip than Fairchild.
I know we can. Let's do it.
Is tech company finished? Experts weigh in. Let's start with the primary power core specifications. We need to rethink the energy distribution matrix.
It's connecting.
I think this is it.
We've done it.
So the traditional single-part design, while cheaper initially, shows higher stress points.
The multi-part offers better longevity.
I am deeply honored to lead this incredible company. Together, we will innovate and reach new heights.
Billions of transistors tested in seconds. Only perfect chips surviving. We're seeing a critical drop in the 5nm yields, specifically on the Ryzen line. This is escalating quickly.
We found it, a tiny chemical variation in photoresist. Something that worked perfectly at 7nm. Excellent work, team. This is a significant improvement.
We've learned a lot through this.
A misalignment of just 2 microns, 50 times thinner than hair, was degrading chiplet communication. Finding the cause seemed impossible.
We were heating the substrate for bonding,
but it was warping just enough to throw off alignment. The solution was counterintuitive.
Perfect alignment.
Stacking silicon on silicon seemed simple in theory. In reality, the cache layer kept separating like a failed marriage.
We had to make two silicon surfaces bond like they were grown as one crystal. It took 17 attempts. Attempt 18 changed everything.
When the world locked down, demand for AMD chips exploded. But factories closed, ships got stuck, materials.
I personally called our top partners. We found resources others couldn't. We arranged for air transport when sea transport was up. While others made excuses, the company delivered. Their supply chain flexibility became a competitive weapon. Customers remembered who showed up when it mattered.
That situation taught us what? Being efficient isn't enough. Being resilient is survival. Now every
Whether it's the latest AAA titles or competitive esports, AMD gives you the edge.
AMD hardware empowers university research, and student programs create career pathways.
At AMD, we're building the future of AI with our advanced accelerator chips, enabling breakthroughs in machine learning.
Medical imaging powered by AMD processors. Drug discovery simulations running on EPYC.
Hey, sweetie, that's a beautiful drawing. Daddy, look, I drew our family.
We miss you. Try not to be too late.
So if we optimize the data flow here, the processing power increases significantly.
I see how that impacts the overall system architecture.
It worked. It actually worked.
We did it! We did it!
It's in these edge cases, the scenarios no one expects, that the real melodies hide.
All right, looks good on my end. Austin, it's all yours.
Thanks, California. We'll take it from here.
Morning, team. Let's see what Austin has for us.
Billions of virtual tests, finding problems digitally before physical silicon exists, saving months and millions.
Our next-generation architecture delivers unparalleled performance. We project a 40% increase in efficiency.
This is exactly what we've been looking for.
Happy birthday, dear Eddie, to you.
Thank you all.
It's been an incredible journey.
We learned so much from you.
Your guidance shaped our careers. It's this culture of constant curiosity and the drive to push boundaries that truly defines us here at AMD.
From $2 stock to powering the world's fastest supercomputer.
Next week, Intel's billion-dollar battle to catch AMD. Then, NVIDIA's GPU dominance secrets. After that, how Apple escaped Intel's grip.